Hey everyone, with Lance Fancy Gaming, we are doing November Patreon 2025 Part 3. Sorry for the late video posting so forth. I was celebrating Veterans Day and getting my $20 appetizer free and a free $10 card um, at Dave and Buster. They served me raw chicken, so I've been throwing up for a couple of hours now, and I feel my stomach is now settled a bit for me to do this. Yeah. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. We'll be looking at some D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D printing needs. And yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. And let's get started. So we got Bite the Bullet. I think we went over this. We'll go over this very quickly. Uh, we have a lot of what you call it, furry friends, as you can see, for D&D. Some people like to do furry critters and so forth as well. And yeah, we've got some mouse folk farmer. We got a bear folk barbarian. I don't know what the difference between a warband and a bear folk. They pretty much look pretty freely similar, and they're good. And a warbearer is like mostly, a good alignment for it. So I got some shrooms, axolotls, and so forth as well. We got a hedgehog guard. We might do some of these critters. Um, So I do have a lot of elves and a whole bunch of other shit as well. Owl gatherer, we got deerfolk shaman, alligator, crocodilian warden. We got a badgerfolk librarian. We got the girl from Crash Bandicoot. Crash Bandicoot sisters. Oh, bye. Nope, we gotta pay for it. I just canceled all of our Patreon. It's just I don't have the money for it right now, due to the fact that my child's coming up. But yeah, so we got bustling bazaar. So it'll be like a market in many ways. So we got a shaman. I think we also looked at this too. So it's like a merchant folk, clover moss root. We got a Bartex right. We got the Yanti dancer. We got the goblins. Yeah, I definitely remember we actually looked through this as well. More goblins, armored, and guard man. You have human, dwarves, and goblins, and so forth. But yeah, there's your bust, and so forth. Last Sword miniatures. They do a lot of Warhammer proxy for Age of Sigmar and the Old World. If you're interested in that, go check them out. This might help you guys out on a lot of the stuff. There's a lot of Old World stuff in here. I have three armies in the Old Worlds, like the Orc, the Bertolians, and the Tomb King. No, and we have the Orc as well. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I have so far for my old world, but you can expand it. I know Warhammer costs a lot, and this might be the cheapest option that you guys pretty much have for it. We did one-page rules. We're gonna see if they added more stuff to it. I know they added a Kickstarter for it. I really don't do much Kickstarter, but this is also Warhammer Proxy as well. The artilleries and mutated goblins and so forth, and November release, the Iron Dwarves, Skull Maskers, a whole bunch of other things as well. Go take a look at the link down below. We got Dragon Tapper's Lodge. This is also good for Dungeons and Dragons a lot of times. So we got Tier, Tapper Tier, and Soldier Tier. Got Spore Mob, so he looks like you have the Master of the Weave, so magic. That's good. Vengeful Arch Druid, Arcane Hands, Dread Necromancer, Scroll Magus, Living Unseen Servant, Pack of Spectral Beast, Pack of Spectral Reptiles, Spectral Sea Creature, Ravens, Birds, Mummies, Arcane Hands, Arcane Hands, Draconic, and a humanoid looking Arcane Hands. Animated books, animated bazaar, animated chairs, tables, animated daggers, spear, axe. A lot of animated objects that you can use for a floating disc in many ways. Give me a sec. So yeah, floating disc. Oh no, went too far. There we go. Floating disc. Shields, blade barrier ring, prismatic wall, prismatic wall dome, wall of fire. There's a lot of stuff. These are the things I would definitely print because we do have a lot of spellcasters, and I have a lot of monsters that uses spellcasting. So this will actually help out a lot with the game on the tabletop in many ways. Wall of thorn, wall of water, wall of water, wall of wind. You got warts, ghouls, ghasts, skeletons, zombies, spell effect, circle template, spell effect, cone template. That'll make it pretty cool too. And painting it in many ways, it'll make it look a lot nicer for us. So we got the spore sovereign. So spores, underdark, fungus uh, for it. I did paint a lot of fungus over the years for it, but it's fine. For servant in that. And there you have it. Fantastic Plants Rocks. October, they do a lot of terrain pieces for different types of world that you're trying to do. Might be a good thing for $3.90, basically $4. They got different varieties of flora, rocks, gems, and plants, alien, foreign, or here as well. Num Num figure. These are figures they do pretty good up with anime, video games, and so forth. We got Sam Wise Ganji from Lord of the Rings. We also have extra one. I don't know where this is from. Expedition 33. I still have not played this game at all. I heard good things about it, but I haven't really played it. We got Yuna, that's going to be coming up as well. And it is December one, keycaps. But more will come in many ways. Just got to keep an eye out for it. And let's see, home. Let's see what we're going to get. Get this month. That'll be this one here as well. Daybreak Miniatures. This is November one. Looks like we're getting. Oh, yeah, I forgot Paladin. We did look at this before. We're getting Paladins and Clerics. Basically, kind of like Grim Darkish. But you can also probably proxy this for 40k or Age of Sigma for the Stormbringers. And this might be a very good one to do because it's very detailed, has those purity seals and so forth as well. So yeah, check them out in many ways and see if you do enjoy this, and hopefully we can get more done with it as well. Uh, Salvet 3D, I think it's gone. I know Hex 3D came back, so we'll probably do that later on through the videos. I think this is November, yeah, Van Victus. So we got this for D&D. Also, you can use these for Warhammer proxies, depending if it matches your army. So I got Carmen Sandiego, busty version of it as well, the Piper, and a whole bunch of stuff for it. And the last one will be Twins. That's not here. But Ruben figures is another good one as well. And for November is your November minis figures for it. And you also get the past ones for this as well. Ruben's a pretty good creator. Funny thing is she's Korean. I can actually understand it in many ways. Try to get that shit done as well. Well, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.